Today I'm going to show you how to change the low beam and the high beam bulbs in your 2007 through 2010 Hyundai Elantra. The bulbs you're going to want is the H11B, that'll be for your low beams, and the H1 is going to be for your high beams. So we're going to go ahead and pop the hood. You can see it's popped. I'm going to go ahead and raise it, and
as you can see,
we've got two camera angles here. I'm just hoping that this helps so that you can see where I'm at. This is the high beam. There's a dust cap right here, and then the low beam is here. We're going to start on the passenger side. It's a little tighter over here, so I figured get this one out of the way. All I did here is took the overflow tube and kind of got it out of our way. So we're just going to loosen this cap here, and so that's just it's just held on there with these little nubs here, and hopefully we can see this on camera. There's a little tab here, tab right here. You push it in, and first of all, get this plug off of here. One thing you do want to do is wear gloves, or be very careful not to touch the bulb. Any oils on your fingers can cause the bulb to blow just as soon as it gets power. Be mindful of that. Alright, got the plug out of the way, got the light bulb. You can see there's a flat spot on this light bulb. That's what positions it in the hole. So we're going to put it back in. Just like that. And we're going to push this tab in, just like that. And now we can plug this back in. There. Put the dust cap back on. Like I said, you'll have to line up these nubs, and you can see here. And I don't think these matter, but if they do, it just won't go in. Okay. Alright, so that's the high beam, and now we'll move on to the low beam, which is probably going to be the most common one, just because we use our low beam a lot more. So this, all I did was turn that, and then the bulb comes out, and then put it back. Put in the new one. Okay. And then put the cap on. Just like the high beam, you line up those nubs and we're done. Alright, now for the driver's side, we're going to do the high beam. Same thing, we're just twisting. And then this will be just like the other side. We'll unhook the wiring. Alright, I didn't notice this on the other side, but there's a little tab right here. Push that in, slides right off. So we'll set that out of the way. Take the light bulb out. Kind of a difficult position, but here's the light bulb. Put the new light bulb in. Put the wire back up. Put the dust cap back on. Okay, go over for the low beam. And again, it's going to be just like the other side. Just twist. Okay. Well, it's got a slot in it, like maybe it can be turned with a screwdriver. No, maybe not. The other side I had absolutely no problem coming out. Alright, this one is just a little extra tight there. But finally I got it. So here's the light bulb on that one. This is an H11B. Okay. Put the dust cap back on. That's all it takes to change both the high beam and the low beam headlight bulbs on the Hyundai Elantra. And this should work for 2007 through 2010. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.